This is the Denali Highway, the southern one. There's a lookout. I don't know if you can see it. I'll see if I can zoom in. It's like a little camp village. That's Summit Lake right there. The one in the foreground. Pick up my names. But yeah, I was just there and I caught a fish. So, caught a grayling. My first grayling ever in the lake. Never caught a grayling in a lake before, but it was too small to keep. It was like only 6 inches. There's my trusted steed. So yeah, just thought I'd shoot a little video. Pull off here at Denali Highway. This is Denali Highway, the one right there. So yeah, this is the Alpine country. See, it snowed. It's rain, snow. So yeah. So that was my first grayling ever in Summit Lake, and it's too small to keep. Then I got a lake trout, but it got off my hook. I was like, darn it, there's a lake trout. Yeah, beautiful. It's like 45 degrees. It's kind of chilly. So I'm gonna camp again, maybe in my truck. I'll see if there's a cabin open. Yeah, just started to shoot a quick video, 2-minute video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Enjoy Alaska, or wherever you are.